Okay, this is about the commercial building tutorial with a curved front glass. First of all, we can use the rectangle and click from this the position in here, and then we can make the another junction in here. We can erase some unnecessary line over there, and then we can click the surface and push it up like this around 700 millimeter. Then make component, then create. Okay, then we can select a move, type control and press to this position, and then you can move it up um, around 4 meter. Okay, then we can duplicate it again to the appropriate position. Sorry, we have to repeat it. We can move, we can type 4 meter. Okay, then you can duplicate it again and duplicate again like this. Okay, this is about the basic meshing of the slab of the commercial building, and maybe we can make the another style to make it more clear. Okay, and after that we can make the glazing position in here. We can click and make unique, and we can offset it inside. Over there we can click this surface, edit, copy, and then edit, paste in place. Okay, then we can make the curve glazing in here, and also in here we can make the curve glazing. Okay, then we can click this surface and push it down until this position. Okay, then we can make this one, then we can make it group, then we can erase some unnecessary line over there, and we can click and select move, and or maybe we can click this one. Then we can divide these surfaces. We can divide these surfaces with the plugin, with this plugin. Okay, then we can set the rows. We can set the rows with 6 rows, and then for the column, it has a 9 column. Okay, and this is the frame depth, and this is the frame width. For the frame width, it's only 35, and for the frame depth is around this. Then we can create the window frame on the front or in the middle in any way. Then we can create the window frame in here. Okay, and then we can just wait about the process, because it's still on progress to calculate about the processing. Okay, just like this. This is about the window divider in here. Okay, then we can select this one, and then we can try to make the surface in here. We can click the window surface face divider, then we can set the rows, and we can set the column is just 1, and just create the frame in here. Okay, then we can just wait, and okay, we can undo. We can try again. Okay, we can try again. The number of column is only 1, but it's cannot make the frame on the okay, but it cannot make the frame on the curve. So the curve is only the ordinary glazing. We can make the another divide. Sorry, we can try to click again. We can type 8 and just create the window frame in here, and just wait about the progress again, because this plugin need more time to calculate it. Okay, and also this one, we can create again with the divided selected face. We can choose 4 or 4 column, and the row is on as 6 rows on every single face. Okay, then we can we just make the this window like this, and then we can select the glazing. Okay, we can assign about the glass material. We can assign about the glass materials like this, and also this one. Triple click, select all, and assign about the materials. With triple click, select all, assign the materials also in here. Okay, so we can also make the another curve in here. Okay, then okay, now we can make the another canopy. We can make unique and push it to the front in here. Okay, we can push it to the front again, and we can make this little sloping in here. Then we can push it to the behind. Okay, then triple click, make group. Okay, then we can now make the sloping. We can now make the sloping in here. Okay, then we can assign about the grazing. Okay, then we can place for the position in here, just like this. Okay, now we can also change the color with the another color. Maybe we can use the gray color like this. Okay, just like this, and then we can activate about the shadow and set up about the shadow to appropriate direction of the shadow like this. It is for example. Okay, then we can now make the another background over there, just like this. Okay, we can put the vehicle. Okay, we can put the vehicle in here to make it more representative enough in here on the drop-off area. Okay, then we can set the 2-point perspective over there, just like this. Okay, or maybe like this. Okay, and it's done. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to join this channel membership, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and just wait for my next tutorial video about the building and modern house and much more about the SketchUp tutorials. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.